Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add social media icons in Shopify. So first things first, head over right here to your themes and click on this customize option. Once you have clicked on your customize, you can head over and then just scroll down to your footer, or you can just click on your footer right here. Now under your footer, you can see your color scheme, email sign up, follow and shop, and as you can see, we already enabled as well right here your social media icons. So as you can see, we have enabled this show social media icons. So if you want to show them, you need to add them some links. So what you can do is you can head over and click on this theme settings. So I'll head over and open this to a new tab. Now from in here, it will open this new page. So just wait for this to load right here. Now it will open our theme settings. So scroll down to that and then just put in here your Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube URLs. So I'll head over and put them. So once they've been put, just head over and click on the save option right here. Once you save that, head over right here to your footer. And as you can see, the social media icons has now been added. So that's how you add social media icons in Shopify. Hope we helped.